Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today as we discuss the KM-IP8 and KM-IP8 S4 Studio switchers. Here are the topics that we're going to be covering on today's show.
Hello, this is Edgar. I'm a General Manager of Engineering for JVC Professional Products. The KM-IP8 S4 falls into category of software video mixers, and there are several players in the market. What sets this device apart that is powered by very popular software vMix. And vMix is an extremely powerful switching device which allows to have multiple inputs. The KM-IP8 S4 supports 4 3G SDI video inputs for 1080-60p support and up to 8 NDI and SRT video input with 1080-60p support as well. And many other functions which can be used in various markets which require switching multiple cameras in production. In addition to that, you have many other video inputs reserved for pre-recorded video, pre-recorded audio, live audio feeds, virtual sets, and instant replay. This unit supports one channel of instant replay at 1080-60p. Some production customers, specifically sports, require more instant replay channels because this unit supports one instant replay, and we have models which support 4 and 8 channels of instant replay for sports applications. In fact, we just introduced new replay controller, RMLP450, which you can see here, which connects to KM-IP8 S4 unit and allows you to control your replay, do slow motion, choose angles, choose cameras, and do anything you need for broadcast quality production of sports. The KM-IP8 S4 production system, which you can see here, is actually quite a portable device, 2U high and only 15 inches deep, which means you can use it in the fly packs or any other portable rack mounts, which is easy to take, not only use in the studio, but also to take in the field. On the front panel, there are USB ports for optional audio mixers or maybe USB hard drives. On the back, you can see actually there are 4 3G SDI inputs, which can be also configured as outputs, separate 3G SDI output and HDMI output, 4 DisplayPort and HDMI combination for up to 4 monitors, gigabit port for all your NDI and SRT needs, and multiple USB connectors for keyboard, mouse, and optional RMLP350 control surface. We see lots of customers in applications of like house of worship using KM-IP S4 video mixer. And what we hear from the feedback, they grow their audience because of visible increased quality of their production. Not only because of the simplicity of vMix switching software and very short learning curve, but also it's very flexible, so you can bring feeds over HD SDI from handheld cameras, NDI and SRT from PTZ cameras, and make your production entertaining with lots of graphics, virtual sets, and animated backgrounds to help to send your message across.
The NDI system is actually great because even with the setup, there is less cabling, and that's a plus. That's something that, when you think about one cable that's handling power, your network capabilities, and your connectivity is great. And then I was able to use that as well to get into the cameras.
JVC's PTZ NDI cameras allow storytellers access to a number of video sources and the benefits and freedom that IP content brings.
This gift from JVC really has been a blessing. It more or less confirmed a lot of what I was talking about, especially with the PTZ cameras, how easy it is to work, how it can work for our system, how you don't need that many people to operate it. Make the investment, take the leap, sit with a professional person who understands the medium, who understands broadcasting. Select a system that's cost effective, that can go over time. Invest in that system. We won't regret it. Getting feedback from church members when they come and say that their friends who are at home are now tuning in and recognizing that there's a change, there's some type of improvement in the production. We hope that we are able to retain those folks and get them to spread the message of the change.
We give you our hearts, we give you our minds, we give you our time, we give you our talents.
I've been a fan of JVC since 1978. Eventually I coined the phrase, nothing comes between me and my JVC.
KM-IP8 is available into two models, KM-IP8 and KM-IP8S4. The difference is that S4 model is equipped with these 4 SDI video inputs, which allow to connect your cameras via 3G SDI interface, which supports up to 1080 60p. KM-IP8 will not have this board installed, so you will be using mostly NDI and SRT for all your over IP inputs and outputs. Both models are equipped with the 3G SDI and HDMI output ports, and also gigabit internet for all your video over IP connections, including NDI, SRT, and also your outputs, which typically would be sent to YouTube or Facebook. In fact, this device allows streaming simultaneously to 3 CDN content delivery network destinations. So you can set up simultaneous output to, let's say, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's a long list of CDNs which are supported, including custom RTMP with a stream key for any other content delivery network. Let's talk about NDI, Network Device Interface, a new standard for video over IP. The KM-IP8 and KM-IP8S4 video switchers support NDI, and you can bring up to 8 1080 60p NDI streams into these video mixers. Speaking about NDI, what always comes on my mind is PTZ cameras, like this camera from JVC. Think of up to 8 cameras installed at different angles, sending audio, video to this video mixer, and also being controlled remotely from this video mixer over IP. This will make your production highly entertaining.
NDI features plug-and-play operation, connecting cameras such as our PTZs to your network with a single cable.
JVC offers multiple PTZ cameras which support NDI, including those models which support advanced auto tracking. These cameras will integrate with KM-IP8 and allow to track multiple objects throughout the room. I get this question quite often, Edgar, which video mixer should I choose for my production? I like software video mixers because of their flexibility. You have multiple video inputs, graphics, virtual sets, and also you can grow because this system is easy to upgrade, and it's an open system which grows with you and your production needs. When selecting your new video switcher, budget, of course, is very important consideration. These systems are very competitive and very affordable. And you're not locked in a fixed machine. You can always upgrade it in the future.
Hi, I'm Craig Yanagi, the National Product Manager for JVC Professional Video, and we're really excited at this year's InfoComm 2023 because we have just won the System Contractor News Installation Product Awards 2023 for our new KM-IP8 S4 Studio switcher. And the cool thing about that is that with JVC, we cover the product line from glass to glass, from cameras all the way out to distribution. Along with the KM-IP8 S4 switcher, we have the control surface for it, an RMLP 350G designed to be utilized with the vMix system. So please visit us to learn more about our professional video products. We hope to hear from you.
For more information about these products, please follow JVC social media feeds.
Thanks for watching today's show. To see more videos from JVC, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.